Right, hello everyone. Today is a very special day because one second, I'm gonna show you. This, this, big man thing. This. Yeah, so I got this, ladies and gentlemen. This. Oh. Here we have my new PC. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All of us, let's go. Let's go. Right, for those who don't know, basically, I got my laptop, my own laptop, which is a Lenovo Legion, this one. As a specs, it does have an i9, 48 RAM, and a 4070 Ti, or no, 4070 simple, 12 gigabytes. And yeah, it was a gift from my parents to me, but it is blocked now because the college. If you haven't seen the clip, it's right here. So the only thing I could work was this MacBook. It does work, don't get me wrong, but it's not fluid, it's not smooth, and basically, yeah, it doesn't work properly, quick, fast, and I cannot do 3D design, I cannot do things for my university. Basically, I'm blocked. So that's why I bought this PC, and let's unbox it together and let's see how it is, and let's start together and let's see how the PC is. Let's go. Very big unboxing. Very big unboxing. Very big unboxing. I'm so happy. So happy. So much. Oh my days, this is huge. Oh my days. Oh my days. And here is another box, in another box, in another box. Come on. Come on. My days. I'm gonna put it by the door. By the door. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Wow. Wow. Boxes I have. Well done. Overclockers. Well done. Well done. Too many boxes. Into this box here we have power cables, this thing which I don't know what is this, and yeah, another power cables and stuff. And they sent me some Haribos as well. Yeah, Haribos, mini Haribos. Thank you, thank you. Maintaining your PC. Who read all of this? Who? Not me. But yeah. Not now. Power! Let's go. And now, ladies and gentlemen, poke and poke. Big man thing. Let's see. Katana. Katana. How the Kratos is doing? Whoa! Come on! Oh yes! Oh yes! Oh yes! Yes! Wait, I don't want to. I think it's putting on the sideways. Wait, I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't want to smash it. I don't want. Oh, this is so heavy. How many kilos this thing has? Baby! Oh! Give it to me, baby! Another box! And now... Oh, it's the other side. Because those are the foot. So how should stay? It's the other side. Scuseva. Let me turn around.
Do not
this thing have
break
like
PC.
A few good kilos. Come on! This is the PC. You can see here the components and everything. Very clear. Look, video card, CPU, GPU, everything is here. Wow. Very nice. Very well packed. Yeah. The latest of the latest, everything. Yeah. Always. Don't worry, this is the latest. Latest things. Yeah. It says pop, pop, bop. I'm joking. As all of you, you love me. Let's open the window together. Which should be from here. This is easy to unscrew. I like it. 1 and 2. Wow. Okay. Slowly, slowly. Should slide. Okay. The glass panel, which is matte. I like this. Stay there, please. And now, the moment of boys, this is not okay. I think this is not okay. My Jesus. My Jesus, Lord Christ. My Jesus, Lord Christ, multiple two. What is this? Wow. I'm amazed. Let's go. Power supply here. You can see there it does have a light. And first key. Specs. I have a 4070 Ti, 16 gigabytes, not 12. Yes. I'm looking at it and I'm very happy because it does look very beautiful. I'll use it for my projects, for my things. I'll take care of it, and I'll unplug now the HDMI and I'll make a bit of clean here, which is gonna take me another hour. But please, if you like my content, give me a subscribe, a like, and yeah, from now I'm gonna edit on this. Thank you God. And everything is gonna go flawless. But yeah, have a lovely day. Thank you so much. I'll see you around. Bye.